news coming in vis-a-vis the President's first address to Parliament, the new President, Ramnath Kovind's first address. The opposition has started playing politics on even the President's address now because Congress's Anand Sharma has now come out and called the speech in Parliament as quote-unquote disappointing. Let's go across to our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor on that. So when the opposition or the Congress specifically, Aishwarya, calls it disappointing, what is it that's disappointing them?
No change and no groans. The President's address is deeply disappointing, as he just stated. And he also goes ahead, Shivani, and says that the employment as promised was not given. All of what is being said is nothing new. Earlier we've heard Mallikarjun Kharge in the same regard. So the Congress seems to be repeating the rhetoric here. Even as you just stated, even on the speech of the President of India, they rather seem to be playing politics and trying to earn political brownie points. But at this very point of time, it seems as if Congress has made up its mind that it's going to create disruption rather than having any discussion on even in this budget session. And the line is very clear. The line is taking, even on the economic survey, it seems as if they're making up their mind or their mind is already made. And the line is coming up directly from the party president. When you have the likes of Anand Sharma and then Mallikarjun Kharge making such statements, it is very clear that what the upcoming days in Parliament in store. We saw even today, even when the Prime Minister was urging the complete political class to come together so that the government can get through the pro-development Triple Talaq bill through. We saw a protest right at the Gandhi statue. So this is going to something. This is something which is giving out the tone and tenor of the Congress party for the upcoming budget session. Shivani.
Right. Aishwarya, let's listen into what Anand Sharma had said.
कोई प्रावधान नहीं है. दूसरा विषय अलग है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने जो कहते हैं वो करते नहीं. अगर वो गंभीर हैं महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण के लिए, महिलाओं को न्याय देने के लिए, तो प्रधानमंत्री जी महिला आरक्षण बिल लेकर आए. उस पे हमारी कांग्रेस संसदीय दल की चेयरपर्सन ने, वो कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष थी, जब श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जी को पत्र लिखा है. हम आश्वासन देते हैं कि हम उसका पक्ष में मत देंगे, सरकार का समर्थन करेंगे अगर वो ये बिल लेकर आते हैं. दूसरा, हमने जो राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण के बारे में कहा है, एक बात जो आवश्यक थी कहने की, ये दावा किया गया कि भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और उनकी सरकार ज़ोर से काम कर रहे हैं, ज़ोर शोर से, और गंभीर है इस पे. अगर ऐसी बात है तो देश को ये कारण बताएं कि क्या वजह थी जो 4 साल होने जा रहे हैं लोकपाल नहीं बनाया गया, लोकपाल की नियुक्ति क्यों नहीं की गई. उसी से सही एक संदेश जाता है. The President's address to both the houses of Parliament has been deeply disappointing, insipid, and it makes claims which are contrary to the ground realities and known facts. An impression is sought to be given that under the watch of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and this government, all the commitments made to the people of India have been honored and fulfilled. The economy is booming, which it is not, because of the two reckless decisions of the Prime Minister and a hasty imposition of a flawed GST model had led to a sharp decline in GDP.